Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gru Junior from Despicable Me 4. So let's get started. To draw this cute Gru baby, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go up nice and high. And come down about right there. Oops, make my curve a little bit higher. And then I'm going to come about right there and connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to come right across, say about this much. And once again, we're just going to draw a big curve. And connect. There. So now that we have these two shapes in, let's come back inside, and towards this corner we're going to draw a circle. So a nice big circle in this part right here. And then we're going to come inside and draw another circle right in the center. And I'm going to shade this part in all black. And then about right here, I'm just going to add another circle for a highlight. And then this part right here is the color of Gru's eyes. Gru Junior's eyes, that is. Okay, so same thing on this side. I'm just going to come right about here and draw a big circle. Then in the center, once again, and another highlight right here. There, and I'm just come back in here and quickly just thicken up this top curve a little bit more. Okay, so now that I have that, we're going to come to the sides right here, and I'm just going to very tiny, maybe just 3 of them, just to simplify it, 3 tiny little lashes. There. And then let's come up above the eyes and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down over the eye for a brow. And so same thing on the other side, about right here. Just going to draw right over the eye. There. And then let's give Gru Junior here a happy smile. So in between the eyes, right about here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right about here. And you can keep it like that if you like, but I'm going to open up the mouth, and so I'm going to come in right here and draw a deeper curve. There. And then of course we need to draw his little teeth. Little tooth right here in the front. And then a tongue. And I think there's 2, right? So I'm just gonna split it lightly right here in the center. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we need to draw the face. So let's see here. I'm just going to use this as a guide. I'm going to come from this point. I'm going to come out, say about this much. And same thing on the other side. About right there. And I'm just going to draw a big curve over the top of the head. So let's go ahead and we're going to go around the eye, go around the eyebrow. So go nice high to about right there. And then we're going to come right back down to here. Oops. And bring it all the way down just like the other side. There, nice round head. Okay, so now that we have that, I know my shape is in, I'm going to come in here and just thicken it up. Okay, so then from there, we're going to bring this in now. And we're just going to come in. So this part is a little bit rounder. And let's bring it about right there underneath the mouth. About right there. And then we need to about right here in this area. We're just going to kind of flatten it out a little bit because he's wearing a scarf. There. It looks so weird, right? And the reason it looks weird is because we haven't put in the ears. Once we put in the ears, I think it's going to come together. So let's see, about right here in this area, I'm going to put in these big ears. And then, let's see, curve right here and then another curve for some detail. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just dragging these points across so that I'm approximately the same on the other side. Big curve and the inside. There, looks much better now, right? Hopefully. So you needed the ears to anchor everything in. Okay, and then the last thing we need to do on the head is of course the hair. So right here in the center, I'm just going to go up and draw maybe 3 strands. One, a taller one, and then a shorter one, and then just bring it in and connect. And I'll erase that a little bit later. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, before I finish this, sorry, I feel like it needs more anchoring here on the eyes. So I'm just going to come in here and darken this curve. And bring the lashes out a little bit more. Okay, better, right? Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the body. So the first thing we need to tackle is the scarf. So I'm going to come about right here underneath the eye. And same thing about right here. And we're just going to wobble. Wobble, and then maybe this one pops out a little bit more. Same thing here. Wobble. And connect. Right here at the bottom. The curve. Then I'm just going to lightly just go across right here. So we know there's a little fold right there, and then maybe in the center here, another part of the scarf. And let's see, and then we need to come in here and draw the hand. So I'm going to come back in this area and draw a curve. Same thing on this side. And about right here, I'm going to work on this hand first. I'm just going to curve for the sleeves. So this is my center. I just want to make sure I don't go past my center because I'm drawing these sleeves. So about right here, I'm just going to bring it in, curve it in, and then connect. And then a little cuff. And then the hands. So I just want to make sure I don't pass the center. So a little thumb and the fingers. Just going to spread them out, 2 and 3. There. So same thing on the other side, about right here. I'm just going to follow what I drew on the other side, so about right there. And connect. And a little cuff. And once again, the fingers. So thumb, thumb, and fingers, 2 and 3. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the legs. So let's say about right here. Just gonna bring out a curve. And we're gonna pop in these feet. Curve out, bring it down, and curve it in. Then about right here, I'm just gonna draw in this little foot shape right in this area. And so same thing on the other side. Just gonna drag this once again about right there. Then we're gonna go up, and we just want to end about right here, same thing. And in. And once again, this little foot shape right here. And then whatever space you have, just connect it right in between. And one more little detail right here, we need a little flap hanging of the scarf. So just gonna go ahead and connect it. There. So then to work on the scarf, we can come right here, and I'm just gonna kind of follow the shape I've created, and I'm gonna draw in some stripes. So one here. And then maybe this one's going the other way, just to give our scarf some volume. And one more. And there should be maybe a stripe here as well when you color it. And of course one here. So this will be dark, 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 dark right there. And let's see, I believe that is pretty much it. If anything, let me just fix my head shape here a little bit more, but I need to add a heart, so I'm going to add it right here on the bottom of the foot to make this my Draw So Cute of Felonious Gru Junior. I really hope you love how this cute little baby turned out, and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.